how to set which emails to receive from Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set which emails to receive from Yelp. Now this is by customizing your emails, right? And it is very simple. This feature can be done basically for business owners. All right, so the first step is to log in into your Yelp for Business account. And how do you log in? On the home page, move to the top part of the screen and click on Yelp for Business. And then the box displayed, you can see options like add a business, claim your business, log into business account. So once you can see this, you can just click on add a business. If you've not added your business already, or claim a business, or whichever function that you desire to choose. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page. On the home page, navigate through to your profile icon, which is located by the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on your profile icon in the box displayed, click on account settings. So after clicking on account settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, you'll see your profile and different things about your profile. And the next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see email slash notifications. So in the email section, you can set your preferences for different types of emails, such as notifications, updates, and promotions. So just click on your email, and then on your emails page you can now see the primary account, and then you can also add email. All right, and then by the time you scroll down, you can see email notification settings. So yeah, you can select the kind of email you want to receive. Okay, you can select the kind of emails you want to receive from Yep. All right, and if you don't want to receive any kind of email at all, just check this box and every other thing would be stopped. And the same thing applies to this push notifications. And then if you want to segment the email that you want to use to receive notifications, move to the top right side of the screen here, click on the add email, and then just go ahead and add whichever email that you desire. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can add email, or you can select which emails to receive from Yep. So thanks for watching and have a good day.